Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to video watching my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a small The Crafty Student haul here to show you. I got 3 kits, 2 of them which are actually new releases from last week. Unfortunately, this will go up right after. It'll be going up on Wednesday, which the new release sale will already be on. Will already be over. Speak. So I will end up putting somewhere during the video my coupon code so that you can get 25% off using Chelsea25. But I want to show you guys these awesome ones. This was from the previous new release, and then these 2 are the current one. So I just want to show you, I got these. I got Celebrate America, Expect More, which is a Target kit, and then Lion in a Jungle, or in the Jungle? In the Jungle, which is a Lion King themed one. So let me show you. So this is Celebrate America, which, as I'm sure you can guess, I will be using for July 4th, for Independence Day. Here are the glitter headers. I cannot talk today. Just so you guys know too, I got the full kit, and then for each one of these, I also got the add-ons for glitter headers and the add-on functional sheet. So just to let you know, these 2 do not come with each of the weekly kits. You can actually get them separate, which if you use my code Chelsea25, you can get these 25% off each. So anyways, I got the glitter headers, the functional sheet, and then the kit. And I'll show you real quick the kit, full boxes, and flags, the header page with half boxes and quarter boxes, and 3 half ombre check boxes, and then the ombre check boxes, and 2 weekly checklists plus some icons. The little things, which she did change the size ever so slightly, and I believe that was for them to fit in the new Erin Condren. So there's that. Plus, she did a little bit of a different format. I don't know if you guys remember the ones in the last ones, but the 9 TV boxes were up here, and then it went these, and then these, and these, and these. So there are actually 1 more of the $ ones, and then 1 less of the filming ones, which kind of sucks because I do up to 3 videos a week. So anyways, there are your 7 meal. You get 2 video or filming or movie, however you want to do that, however you want to use them. And then 9 of the TV, 3 packages, 3 $ ones, 3 asterisks, 2 habit tracker, canceled, not today, and then a bunch of icons. There's the planner and the weekly planner. I'm sorry if I'm shaking right now. I haven't held this a long time and my hand's starting to cramp. And then the covers with 3 bill do's, some skinny, our check boxes, some icons, and a ton of headers. And then the washi. And that is that kit. And then the Expect More kit. Glitter headers. Functional. Again, these do not come with the weekly kit. And then the weekly kit. These are the full boxes. I think this is very mom-like, just because a lot of moms tend to go to Target. If you watch YouTube, you know. But I am using this one for, it's going to be 2 weeks before she starts school, because the week that Lion King comes out, I want to use that kit for that week. So this is more of a get my school stuff together, even though she's going to be in preschool, she really doesn't need anything. So there's these. I gotta give you guys a close up. This is so unique. I came, I saw, I bought it all. Yeah, that's about right. Target run, nail appointment, call back best friend, coffee with mom, Netflix and chill. Headers, boxes, little things. Okay, mom life on, yeah, 24/7. Here's this one. I'm not going to go over each one each time. The little things and whatnot. Got to give you a close up of that planner and the weekend banner. Day covers. And then washi. This is like the coolest part. I love the washi. I'm probably going to try and cut up this just because it's so unique. Okay, there's that. And then the final one that I got, Line in the Jungle. There's the glitter headers. Functional. Boxes. Yellow. Star. Yellow. Star. Yeah. Headers. Check boxes. Little things. Close up of planner, Queen Matata, and the weekend banner. The covers. And then washi. And that'll be it for my haul. I better see this real quick before she comes back in here and continues to yell and scream. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video, as well as because I love this kid with all my heart. Alright, I will see you guys soon. Bye!